Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can put a screen protector at home. First we need to clean our area where we will putting the screen guard. Then we must have clean hands. We have to clean our hands, wash with the soap and dry as well with the towel. Then after that we have to take it out class. Then it come and it comes with two wipes paper. First uh, first one is wet and second one is dry. First we have to tear the wet one, then clean phone screen nicely with the wet paper and clean each and every corner. Then tear dry one second, then clean nicely. We don't need and check screen nice, and we don't need to left any dust particle on the screen before we put screen guard. And your fingers is your finger must have creaseless. If you can see any dust particle in your phone screen, then you can clean finger like this, then remove there's a dust particle, you can remove like this. Then we are now we prepare to put screen guard. Then you have to remove this plastic from the screen guard, then apply. Check if each corner is going well. Check all four corners and measure it, then put it, left it. We are done. You can see now we put the screen guard.